Welcome everyone to Tourwise America. Lots of big changes coming. We're glad you're here. This Clarion Inn near Island Drive in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee has been purchased by the Hilton brand hotels. They're already starting to repaint the exterior. No word yet on exactly what the name brand will be. However, it will be a Hilton property. We would encourage you to check this area out when you're traveling to the Pigeon Forge area. The staff is extremely helpful, very friendly, and a clean hotel overall. Come along. We're glad you're here, and hopefully this will be helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Let us know what you think. tourwiseamerica@gmail.com. We'd love to hear from you. This is an excellent hotel for the price point, and sometimes you might find that it's in need of Clorox or Odoban, a noise machine, especially for those hotels that are located next to the interstate, whereas this one did not. That was a pleasant surprise, and we were very thankful for the staff, everyone involved at the Clarion Inn near Island Drive, as they were very helpful. And we had a newly renovated room, which was also a bonus, and you can see that here shortly. The beds at the Clarion Inn near Island Drive are much better than comparable hotels in the area. We believe that the mattresses were new, so of course that helps. There's no staining on the carpet, and we are very thorough in our inspection and review. As we've seen other people, we look behind furniture and look for other things to where maybe they're not cleaning very often, but we didn't find any of that here. Perhaps it was due to great housekeeping staff, and we're thankful for that. Huge refrigerator, especially if you're staying for 2 or 3 days or even longer. The microwave wasn't a small chintzy one. It actually worked really well, and of course they've got a safe and a Keurig machine, which is rare now in some hotels. Somehow, if you like coffee like we do, the Keurig machine is definitely helpful. The bathroom was extremely clean, especially for a Choice Hotel. Some of them are not. This one we did not feel the need to completely scrub down and or remove and or Clorox everything. You can see we've got little Clorox wipes for handles and other things, just to be extra safe, and if something needs to be cleaned. Once we got the air moving in the room, this musty smell, if there was one a little bit, went away, so that was also something we were very thankful for. It smelled clean, it looked clean. Of course, it was a newly renovated room, so perhaps that's something to do with it as well. Again, thanks for joining us here at Tourwise America. We'd love to hear back from you. If there's some place you'd like for us to review, just email us, tourwiseamerica@gmail.com, and we will respond promptly to your request and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again for joining us, and have a wonderful day.